I'm gonna real quick give you a tour. It's we aren't organized in it yet or anything like that, so later I'll do a little bit of video about how I get organized, but right now I'm just going to show you around a little bit.
With Julie driving. Julie drove all the way to Ohio. You believe that? We rode in the car all the way with Julie. Boom! To Ohio.
Hello guys, I'm coming to you from LaRue, Ohio, and we just got a new to us RV. The Lord blessed us with it. It's not something that we went out and paid for. God just totally blessed our ministry with this, and so we just want to share this with you guys and give you just a little tour of the inside. Johnny's going to do a tour of the outside. He tried earlier, but it started raining in the middle of his videoing, so I'm going to real quick give you a tour. It's we aren't organized in it yet or anything like that, so later I'll do a little bit of video about how I get organized, but right now I'm just going to show you around a little bit. Okay, so this is the front area. Of course, Puppy has found out that she loves the dash and this one as well, and that's the cockpit area of the RV. And yeah, and so above the cockpit area there's a couple of cabinets. They left that for us. I love that sign. But yeah, we haven't even put anything in there yet, so we still got lots of space. Nathan, nothing in these cabinets yet. I love too that they left these curtains for us. I love what they say. It's pretty awesome, pretty amazing. Little fans, that's something Johnny had been praying about and really wanting in the RV. So there's one on each side. And the air condition, the dash heating and air work on this one. And so anyway, let's go ahead and look at the living area. I'm going to show Nathan for a minute. Say hello, Nathan. They have this table and chairs, like a small little booth. It doesn't fold down, but there's some pretty good, and those are the captain seats. But it's got pretty good storage in it. If you look, they actually made these. See, it's got all of that. They actually made this, the booth. They didn't make the table, but they made the booths.
They did.
And look,
this was actually a different table. They
okay. So they modified it. This is amazing right here. Look, guys, hello. Look what they left me. This is amazingly awesome. A washer and
We'll
dryer.
only be able to run it though on
Praise the
a lot
Lord.
of power.
Praise the Lord, yes. Okay, so now on the other side here in the living area, you have this couch, and this is something that's our trash, just ignore that. But this is something that they put in, and they found it really good price at a RV liquidating supply store or something like that. And so anyway, we haven't figured out how to get it to
RV
fold
surplus.
out. RV surplus. We haven't figured out how to get it to pull out, but there is a lot of storage underneath it. So underneath we have a cot, fits perfectly, and that's what Nathan has been sleeping on for the past couple of days. And so you have all these windows in here. Look at all the windows. I mean, it is amazing how many windows we have in here. There's some right there, and of course right there. Everywhere.
Actually, the TV will go here.
Yes, the TV is going to go in that blank little spot, and there's this media stuff. And so anyway, there's storage above the couch. Lots of cabinets.
Snack storage.
Right now it is snacks in there. And so so yeah, it's pretty awesome down there. You've got a little storage space, and this is something cool that the people that had this did, our friends. They made little drawers. They said they got them at Ollie's for really cheap, and you can store stuff in there. And then you got the little space there to slip laptops or whatever else you might want to slip. So there is
Don't forget the fact that that's a slide out.
Oh, and then I love the saying they put up here. Let me show you this real quick. To choose joy is to find freedom. Get that right. And so this here is the living space. Ignore my trash, because
This would actually be a lot smaller if that slide out.
yeah,
were
we have
in.
slide out where the couch is. And so this is the living space in here. And I hate that we have trash sitting there, but that's just life, I guess. It's life. Now we're going to look at the kitchen area, and it's not organized or anything yet. But you come in here, and there's this little space for the trash can down here. And of course I got my doTERRA diffuser going. Oh. And this is something we've never had before. It's a convection / microwave, and so we get to learn how to use that, and all. And I
That's
guess
the
this
light
is
button.
where all of the levels are, and I don't even know if they all work.
Yeah,
or-
they seem to.
Nathan says they seem to all work, so that's really
The
good.
neat thing about the convection oven is that the actually controls the lights right here and everything.
So there's lights
And the
down
fan.
below it. And there's fan. That's pretty neat.
Yep.
That is pretty neat. So then you have a mirror behind it. We'll have to. I think
Nice
I like it
cabinets.
okay. And the cabinets were redone. You know, usually you have the wood cabinets. And our friends, they redid the cabinets. They did a good job on it. Did it by hand, and I like it. It's got like kind of that rustic type look. But here's storage for food. And then you got this little extra piece right here. It's like a extra little strip of countertop, which is really a blessing. And so that's another storage right here that we've got there. And this, the stovetop, Nathan, I'm not sure how to do
I
it.
don't know.
Let's let Nathan show you how it's done.
I used it last night.
Okay, so this is
It
how
folds up like this.
Oh, okay. And so there's the stove underneath.
Mhm.
Yay! And then it goes back down.
And there's actually extra counter space here.
And there's extra counter
I
space.
used to chop the meat
there.
here last night.
So that's really a blessing too. And little drawers for silverware.
Yeah.
You have to pull up on them so they'll come out.
But that's good, so they won't slide out while you're going down the road.
Yeah, that's really good. That's really nice. So you want to fold that back up so you can see how it folds back down? Yay! So there's that. I like that. I really do.
I do too.
And then she left this little sign in here.
Our kitchen, bless our little kitchen, Lord. We give praise each day. Bless us as we gather here to talk and laugh and pray.
And pray. I love it. I love it.
And don't forget the little. They
Oh,
put
they
a
put
shelf
the-
here.
It's like a, I don't know, like a notebook thing.
It would be, yeah. It's
for
really neat how they did
notebooks.
that.
And You put paper plates and stuff in there. So I thought that's really cool. Really creative. Okay, this is the other side. Okay, that was that side of the kitchen, and here's the other side of the kitchen. So right next to the washer and dryer, you have the sink in here, and the doggy bowl down there. One of the things she left in here, I like it. It's the little towel holder, and you can just hang a towel on there. And of course, we got storage space down there under the sink. Two doors worth, so that's pretty nice. And then the sink is really nice, double sink. And this one's pretty deep down in there, so you can fit a lot in there. And she left this on, and you can take it off and spray it. So actually, I'm not even showing it in the picture. There we go. Yep. So that's really cool. Really nice. Okay. And so there's a mirror behind it, and then up above the sink is a cabinet. Another cabinet for food and stuffs. Now, this is one of my favorite things in here, and that's the fridge. It's a double door. This is a lot more space than we are used to having, and it opens. You push that down and pull, and it has lots of room, lots of space in there. Like we probably quadrupled our space in the fridge. Quadrupled.
Definitely.
Forgot I had those strawberries in there. Yay! Okay, and so here's the freezer part. And see, it's nice. It needs to be a little bit defrosted, but it's very big, has all these little compartments, and it's just really, really nice. It's a blessing. So that's the fridge. And so that wraps up the kitchen area. And of course has wood floors. I really like that. And so this is our kitchen area. Love it. Like a little tiny house. Okay, so now I'm going to take you guys into the bathroom area, and it's really cool. We have a lot more space to get dressed and take showers and use the bathroom. It's just really a blessing. So I'm going to take you in the bathroom real quick. Okay, so the bathroom is in between. It breaks up the living area and the bedroom. And so in the bathroom, we have a shower. And what I really love is, you have to lift up on the door again, bathtub. Ta-da! Bathtub and shower. So it's got that neat little step there, which is really nice. It's a very roomy shower. It doesn't have a lot of headroom, but none of the RV's showers have a lot of headroom. Poor John. But anyway, so there's a little cabinet here, and it's like for, towels and things like that, which is very nice. We didn't have this much space in Gabriel, so this is another storage spot. And then there's the sink, and we've got some little shelves. And one of the things I like she did, our friend, is she put this in. And this is not meant for this, but it works great. They're very creative ideas on organization. So then here's another cabinet, pretty roomy in there, and another one. Let's see. So then you have that. I need to probably turn the light on so we can see good. Wow, that really helps. Yeah. Okay, when we look on the other side of the bathroom, I'm glad I turned on the light now, because now we can see. Yay. So, there's the toilet, and the window brings in a lot of light, and there's a fan. I forgot to mention in the kitchen that there's a fan, and there's actually two in here. There's one there, and one there. And then we have this neat little shelf they're leaving in here for books. It's going to be full of books. And she left this little sign. That's really cool. And the curtains, of course. Then you have this little shelf. I guess you could put some little plants on it, because it's right here at the window. I don't know why there's a little piece of trash there, but yeah, you can do that. So anyway, yep, I love it. There's a lot of space in this bathroom. There's a lot of space. So, okay, last but certainly not least is the bedroom. And I'll just let you look at it real quick. It's kind of messy, but okay, this is the bedroom. I've got stuff piled here because I haven't quite decided where I'm putting things yet. Right here, that's closet space. All three of those mirrors. That's how big the closet is. What a blessing. And then you have, we're going to be putting a TV there where that TJ Maxx bag is. It's going to swing out and you'll still be able to put things in there. And then something to hang stuff on. And now she's putting a picture on this back wall here. She's hanging a painting up and it's going to have scripture on there for us. And that used to be a mirror, she said, and she painted it. That's really creative that she did that. And so real quick, I'll show you these cabinets. The closet. The light automatically comes on when you open it. So you have racks for hats and things. We haven't hung anything much up there. We've got a couple of things in there. And yep, so we got a bunch of stuff just thrown in because we're still moving. Still got a lot of moving in here to do. So yeah, it's got three closets. So anyway, so there's the bed area, and then you've got a closet there, a small closet, and she added a shelf, which is really good, I think, because what are you going to put in that little bitty thing? So it's, you can put hang up stuff in there and all. And then here's one above the bed, and then there's another one over there, and then Johnny has a little closet just the same as that one. And then he has the little bookshelf there, and I don't know whose drink that is, but little bookshelf there. You can put books across it, and believe me, if they leave that here, we're going to fill it with books. And so there's the bed. It's a camper queen, which means it's a little different size than a regular queen, but it's plenty room enough and very comfortable. I can't wait to go back to sleep tonight because it's so comfortable. So, yep. So there you have it. That's the bedroom, which is pretty good. Oh, and that's a slide. The closets are a slide, so it slides in and out. So I think it's going to slide all the way up to the bed. So that means we'll have to climb in bed, but we're used to that. With old Gabe, we had to climb in bed then, so that works for us. Oh, and the engine's under that bed also. Yep. So we're all crunked up, and the slides, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like down through here with the slides in. It's not bad. It's about like Gabriel with the slides in, but it's still not bad at all. You have to roll the carpet over, and you have to make sure nothing's beside the bed. Hey Nathan. And the couch comes in. That's the slide. Couch comes in, and so it's about the size of a regular RV with the slides in. So nice. Yep, and here's the cockpit area. So we're getting ready to leave. So this concludes the tour of the inside of our new to us RV. It's a Rexhall Roseair 2001, and it is a diesel Cummins engine, 36.5 foot long, and we're thankful for what the Lord is doing. And if you're still breathing, there's still hope.